Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today, I do these every month and I know everybody already knows what they're getting. Before they could get these out, I was already putting August spoilers out, so I'm still doing the video. So this video is for the Ipsy July full spoilers. I've got the standard, the plus, the ultimate, and also the add-ons. And I'll try to timestamp them below. And again, I know everybody's already seen these. Everybody already knows what they're getting. So if you would comment below, what are you getting? Did you get any add-ons? We want to know it all. But again, I've never missed a month on this video, and I'm not about to start this month. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some spoilers for the Ipsy August Ultimate Bag. Well, thank you so much, Patricia Holland. Patricia says, love your videos. Oh, Patricia, thank you so much, honey. I always see you in the comments, and I couldn't be more grateful for you, honey. And I really appreciate you having your bell on, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button during that 5 seconds. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. As well as give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, anybody that's been subscribed to me or watched any of my videos, y'all know when it comes to the full spoilers, I don't name every one of them off because there's always so many of them. So, let's go ahead and get the standard bag up first, and then we'll get up the full spoilers. And again, go ahead and let us know what you got down below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now next, let's go ahead and pull up the plus bag. And now let's look at their spoilers. Again, always too many of them for me to name, so I just throw them up here. Y'all already know what you got anyways. And then on to the last. Let's pull up the ultimate bag. And now the spoilers. And now guys, let's go ahead and look at the full spoilers for the add-ons that were for July. And again, let us know what you're getting in your bag. Did you get any of the add-ons?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
did you see the add-ons, y'all? Y'all, the Jackie Aina palette, the Dominique Cosmetics palette that's going to be in a BoxyCharm, or, well, possibly in a BoxyCharm. These were some amazing add-ons. I was really surprised with these add-ons. So I'm really excited to see what everybody's got in their bag. So go ahead and comment all that below and let me know what you thought about these products, about the add-ons, about it all. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Jennifer Paget. Jennifer says, love your spoiler videos. Can't resist them when I get that notification. Well, Jennifer, honey, thank you so much. That just makes me feel so good. Honey, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.